Myson Marine of Sydney, Australia is proud to introduce the Flook, a revolutionary flying safety anchor. When launched into the water, this anchor actually flies away from the craft to the required anchoring position. No need to know the depth of water or to calculate the length of line to play out. The Flook anchor automatically descends on a 5-to-1 angle, carrying out the required length of line before settling on the seabed. Developed from an early Scandinavian concept by Philip Dulhunty, a veteran seaplane pilot in Australia, the Flook has been given improved hydrodynamics for flying underwater. The gliding control of aircraft is maintained through a delta wing design, which is recreated here in the Flook anchor. The Flook was originally developed for use with seaplanes. Design requirements called for an efficient anchor of minimum weight for carrying on board, as well as ease in handling and deployment. After launching, which is especially easy, a unique pantograph opens with a jerk on the line. Special geometry digs the Flooks into the seabed. Like the Bruce anchor, the harder you pull, the deeper the anchor digs in. All types of yachts and runabouts can benefit, especially for deploying a stern anchor. And fishermen and divers wanting to anchor directly over a reef or a wreck can take their boat to the ideal final position, sending the Flook out away to hold them exactly where they want to be. The Flook evolved as a sort of metal manta ray. When drifting with engine trouble or broken mast towards rocks or reef, the anchor may be flown out to deeper water to kedge the craft to safety. The ground holding power of the Flook will even allow you to pull your vessel off a sandbar if you've run aground. Modern polyester ropes are very strong, allowing a relatively light anchor line to be used. A flat braided webbing conveniently supplied on a reel also serves well as an anchor rode. Holding tests with a dynamometer were conducted in different types of sand using a four-wheel drive vehicle connected to a 5-kilo Flook. The result averaged over 1,800 newtons. The larger 10-kilo anchor gave her a result easily exceeding 3,000 newtons, enough to hold a 50-footer. Comparative tests showed that the 5-kilo Flook held twice the load of an 8-kilo plough and a 9-kilo dreadnought, and had more than 50% greater holding power than an equivalent Danforth type. A continual leader in competition, the Eureka carries as standard equipment the Flook anchor, recognized as a breakthrough when compared to conventional forms of anchoring. And with chain no longer required, anchoring and stowage is simplified. Replacing chain as a shock-absorbing spring to take the impact out of wave and wind gusts, simply send the roadrunner, a ball weight, down the anchor line. A wire trace prevents chafing in coral or sharp rocks. The unique features of the Flook flying anchor carry it beyond the reach of conventional anchors. The Flook, a revolutionary new concept, adding safety to anchoring.